Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. So this video is about setting up a maximum product quantity in your Shopify store. So watch this video completely without skipping. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting this up, I'm using Nex Minimum Order Quantity MOQ app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. Just check it out and follow along with me. Now, after installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Configure button from the product limits. First thing, you have to give a proper title so that you can easily identify this from the set of rows. Let's say like I'm just adding the title as role 4. Product maximum quantity, and make sure that this rule is enabled, and in the products tab go for the product maximum quantity, let's say like 10, and you can just add any product to the cart or for this rule to be applied. Let's say like I'm just adding this product. You can just add multiple if you want. I'm just planning to give this rule to be applied only for this particular product. So, users will not be available or will not be allowed to buy more than 10 items from this products. So, whenever your user trying to buy more than 10 products of this particular one, then checkout page will shows an error. So, in case this error message, either you can go for a default one. Otherwise, you can just customize the message. So just enable this and add your customized message over here in this text field. Otherwise, just keep it disabled. And if you want to show this error message within the cart page itself, then you can just enable this button. Otherwise, keep it disabled. And if you have multiple rules to be applied, then just click on add new item and add the other rules to set up. So I'm not planning to give more than one rule. I'm just giving only one rule as the maximum quantity for this product. So I have added all my details. So let's save this. Now let's try to test this in our online store. So I have 12 products of this particular one in my cart. So let's try to check out now. Now you can see that error message is saying that more than 10 cannot be added. So let's decrease the number and try to check out. So the error has been gone since we have selected only 9 of this product. Now let's try to add any other products which is more than 10. Let's try to check out. So there won't be any error message showing because we haven't applied any rule for this product. So that's how you can just set a maximum quantity product rule for your products in the Shopify store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.